Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shathi. Today I'm going to show you how I have created this glam blue glittery eye look. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel and watch the full tutorial. For primer I'm using M.A.C Fix Plus. For correcting dark circle and for foundation I'm using Makeup Studio Cream Foundation Professional Palette. Shades are mentioned in the description box below. And I'm blending with the Real Technique Beauty Blender. Using L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Pomade for eyebrow, and I'm filling with L'Oreal Paris Brow Genius Kit. Using LA Girl Pro Concealer to correct the eyebrow as well as to prime my eyelid. Taking light shade from Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to set the primer. For eyeshadow, I'll be using Morphe 35B Juvia's Masquerade palette and Delancey Glitter palette. To create the whole look, I'm using brushes from Morphe, BH Cosmetics, PAC Cosmetics and also BS Small Kabuki brush set. Though I'm using pressed glitter, but still, first applying some NYX glitter glue for better result. Applying concealer from the same foundation palette. Setting my face makeup with same Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Applied falsies off camera. Now I'm completing my lower lash line. Highlighting inner corner and eyebrow bone with Makeup Revolution Brick Highlighter. With a dark shade from Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm warming up my face. For blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. Using same Sugar and Spice palette to highlight my face. Lining my lip with Nykaa lip liner. Now using lip gloss. To set the whole makeup using M.A.C Fix Plus, and it will give a glowy look. And here is the final look completed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.